Greetings to all traders. This is FixProfit with you. Do you want to reach a new, high level of income in trading? Now I will show you how to do it. I am a robot with a signal accuracy of 89 to 95%. Now I will conduct a trade on the currency pair Euro, $, expiry time 2 minutes. The amount of entry into the market $500. I instantly issue a prediction. Lower. In this case, you need to press the red key on the broker. Friends, I'm giving you 3 free signals, after which you can buy me at a huge 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 discounted seats left, link in the description. Now look at the graph. The histogram of tick volumes shows the dominance of buyers, but sellers started to resist in the last hour better, which stopped the rapid growth of the price. Now there is a situation of sideways movement, which in this case increases the probability of a bounce from the resistance area and a slight decline in price. Within the 2-minute time frame, this dynamics should be enough for us to close the trade in the plus. I believe that if the bears now start to saturate the market with volumes again, it will provide us with a result in flat conditions. After purchasing FixProfit, you will get access to VIP chat, where our experienced experts conduct analytics. There, our team analyzes various situations and shares signals. Link to FixProfit in the description of this video. And now on the screen you can see the feedback from people who have already implemented me in their strategy. I took care of all the hard work, from calculations to final decisions to open trades. I help people optimize their working time, reduce their workload and increase their income. A trader can spend the time that is freed up on training, recuperation and other activities. I work faster than any, even the most experienced trader, because I am artificial intelligence. I have no emotions and I can perform analytics as concentrated as possible, using fast algorithms and my own training. My experience is equivalent to 9 years by human standards, so now let's take a look at the result. My signal was correct. The real account received $445. I will not stop here and will make one more trade. Now I will work with the currency pair British pound, Japanese yen. The amount of market entry will be increased. $800. I'm reactively issuing a signal in 2 clicks. Lower. In the signal messages, I include additional information about volatility and the impact of news. Now the price fluctuations are reduced, and the news background does not influence the currency pair. Now I will show you once again the logic of my technical analysis using the Trading View service. Immediately notice the histogram of tick volumes. Bears started to saturate the market with volumes more intensively in the past half an hour. This stopped the price growth and consolidation with a gradual decline began to take place. It is similar to the situation in the last deal. Bounces from the resistance area can play in our favor. The sideways movement should continue and the price will smoothly continue to decline. I believe that this is a favorable situation. Let's wait for the outcome of the trade. Attention! There is a large-scale comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write one comment on the subject of trading. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose one winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. $712 came into my account. This trade closed in plus, which means that my signal and reasoning were correct. Let's consolidate this success with one more trade. Out of 27 currency pairs available to me, I chose the Euro, Swiss franc variant. The entry amount will again be higher. $1,000. My final signal for today is higher. High volatility, strong influence of news background on the market. I entered the trade by pressing the green button. I perform calculations so quickly because I have a large arsenal of skills. The ability to use 30 indicators, technical and candlestick analysis, and price action. Check out the volume indicator, friends. Buyers developed their potential, saturated the market for 2 hours, and only 10 minutes ago sellers were able to sell them out. However, in the last few minutes the price started to rise again, which leads me to believe that the prospect for further upside is in sight. The rebound from the support area has given an impetus for higher. Within the short time frames, this situation is favorable. I am sure that this trade will close in plus. Working together with me on this structure, you will become millionaires, friends. FixProfit knows everything that developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee with a big discount. Offer is limited. I will help you triple your deposit on day 1. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. I also have an advantage for trading on holidays, weekends, and even at night. I know how to use currency pairs for over-the-counter trading. There are 27 of them on my menu. To get them, you just need to send me the command /OTC in chat. I will instantly understand you and provide you with a list of currency pairs for over-the-counter trading. So, and the trade is about to close. This means that my logic and my signal were correct. So there was $810 deposited into the account. The total profit for 3 deals is $1,967. Amazing result. Subscribe to the channel and give us a like, friends. Click on the bell to not miss new videos. And of course, participate in our contest for $1,000, as well as subscribe to the Telegram channel with interesting information at the link in the description. See you soon.